Okay, so here's the first attempt trying to get this hose off of the connector that it's on. It's supposed to be, simple. Squeeze the tab, pull it, comes right off. Yeah, we'll see.
I brought you a light, hun. Do you want the light?
You can put it down for now.
See if I can help you here at all.
Got it. Wow. That's cool. All right. So, the next thing is, I got to get it off of this tube. Same deal, but I don't know. This is metal, so it's not gonna. Maybe it'll move. Problem is, I got no room for my hands. Where is it? Where's that flashlight? Where is it? Is it there? Can't see it.
I'm just glad that it's not raining or snowing.
And that it's not cold out. It's actually pretty nice.
It's not too bad.
As far as temperature is concerned, how do you?
Did you have to get special tools for this job?
I did, but I might not need them. But I got really cheap ones because if I did need them, it would probably be the only time I would need them. So.
Well, you never know. Our future with our van build, probably similar type of hardware. Mechanics, rather.
I can't. Hold on. Okay, pause it. Well, the next step, because I've never done this before, so I'm going off of YouTube. Following it step by step. I got this special tools that will help me do this job. It's a set of 4. They're all different. These are 2 of them. The next step isn't to unplug the other tube like I thought. There's a white clip right here that the hose was plugged into. I got to try and get that clip off using these tools. So here's the first attempt. Let's see if I can do it. Okay. So I gotta gently pull the tab off. Okay. I don't know how to do the other side though because I can't see it. This doesn't twist at all. Oh, maybe I can see from over here.
I know this isn't your most favorite job, but I really appreciate the constant effort to keep things running.
The struggle is real.
Let's see.
Took a minute or 2, actually. Didn't take long at all. It was a little bit of a struggle because I can't see anything, but that's the little piece I needed to get off. Success. Now I'm instructed to take this clip and put it back into the hose as if it was on the thing. So you line up the 2 spots where it locks, one there and one there, with the 2 holes. Should just go in, and there it is. Locked in. Didn't quite click in real good like a new one, so I hope that isn't an issue. I hope that's not a problem because it is kind of old. But I don't think you can just get those. You probably have to buy a whole other pot. But we'll see, because that wasn't actually where the leak is. The leak's on the other part of the Y where the silver hose is. So we'll see what we have to do.
Where
next.
is that silver hose?
It's right here. This hose.
Okay, let me see. I can get around.
This hose right here goes into the Y right there. This is the Y that we're replacing right here.
Yep.
And that's the other part of it right here where the hose goes in. So we'll see what the next step is. Okay, so now I gotta, the same way I took this hose off by pressing the clips and pulling it out, I gotta pull it out from the back wall right there. Same way, push the clips down and pull it out, but it's connected to the heater line running to the back, so I'm told. It goes down and through the frame right there. So I gotta be careful when I do it, and there's very little room in there, so this, I'm assuming, is the hardest part because there's like no room and it's deep in there. So we'll see how this goes. Gotta find the clips first.
And I will walk around, see if I can get a better view here from this side. Takes a little bit of muscle.
Not really muscle on this one. Do I have that right? Okay, those are the two clips. So if I can push them down, it's just not coming for some reason. Come on. Okay, this is where ingenuity comes in. I don't know. This is where a little bit of ingenuity comes in, because I can feel the tabs and I'm squeezing on it, but it doesn't feel like it's moving. So I don't know if they're stuck or I'm not squeezing hard enough because of the angle and how deep it is, and I can't really see what I'm doing. So I got my channel locks to maybe squeeze it a little better just to see if that's it. Now, you obviously have to be careful because you're not supposed to have to use channel locks. So we'll see how this goes. I don't even know if I can get it in there, honestly. I don't think I can.
Yeah, and just plastic, so we don't want to...
So that won't work. So I gotta try and figure this out with my hand. Somehow. Okay, there's the I can feel the tabs. I mean, it's very telling where the tabs are. So if I can just get them to move out. I feel like I'm squeezing, but it doesn't really feel like they're moving.
Hopefully you can do most of this from above instead of...
It's all above.
Oh, that's good.
It's all right here. Okay, I'm squeezing them, definitely squeezing them, but nothing's moving. I gotta take a break. You can pause it. So just so you can see what's going on in there, on the back side of this T right here, you essentially have this again. You have these two tabs right here, and you squeeze them together, and when you do, that locking mechanism gets out of the way of the two spots, and then you pull it out like I did the first time. Now I'm squeezing them, but for whatever reason, it's not coming out. So I'm just taking a break, trying to keep my composure so I can deal with it.